Hello, today we will guide you through how to customize P&L Tracker on Axiom Pro. To get started, open Axiom Pro and navigate to the Axiom Sol Discover page. This is where you'll access the tools and panels needed to manage your tracker settings. If you're already on the Discover screen, you're in the right place and ready to continue. Once you're on the page, look toward the bottom of the screen for the P&L section. This area is usually positioned in the lower part of the interface, so take a moment to scan the bottom navigation or lower panel if you do not see it right away. The P&L Tracker is where you can view and manage how profit and loss information is displayed. When you find it, click on P&L to open the tracker. This will bring up the panel where the tracker options and controls are available. Opening this section is important because the customization settings are accessed from inside the P&L window rather than from the main page. Next, click on Settings. This will open the configuration menu for the P&L Tracker. In this settings area, you can adjust what information appears and how the tracker behaves. If you're customizing this for the first time, it helps to move slowly and review each option so you understand what is being enabled. From here, turn on everything you need to turn on and enter any required information in the relevant fields. The exact options you choose will depend on how you want your P&L Tracker to work, so make sure each toggle and entry matches your preferences before moving on. A good tip here is to double-check any values you type in, since even a small error can affect how the tracker displays your information. If multiple options are available, focus only on the ones necessary for your setup to keep the tracker clear and useful. After you finish making your changes, click Done to save your customization. This confirms your settings and applies them to the P&L Tracker. Once you select Done, your updated configuration should be active, and you can return to the tracker to review the results. That's it. You've successfully customized the P&L Tracker on Axiom Pro. If needed, you can always return to the settings later and make further adjustments as your preferences change.